Hello, friend. Welcome to the series of learning Python, which is a amazing programming, which is a key for unlimited opportunity. This is Ghanshyam here, an IT professional with more than 10 years of experience. So in this video, I will giving you the more detailed about the introduction of the Python program. So let's start in detail. So in this particular series of Python, like it will be divided into multiple videos. So this particular video will talk about more about the details on the introduction. So basically, why Python, right? So it's a popular programming language like any other language, but the advantage is that it is an interpreted language other than most of the programs you can see is a compile based. So, but this Python is a interpreted language, very high level and general programming language. It basically emphasizes on code readability, whereas and with based on the indentation and the significant white spaces. So it mostly used for the web development, software development, mathematics, system scriptings. It basically have more flexibility on working on the platform, different platform, whether it is a Windows, Mac, Linux. It can be written in a very English language, the way we are writing the English, same way. Mostly the syntaxes are used similar to the English language. It has very enriched syntax that allow developer to write program with fewer lines, and then it import the libraries and it reduce the number of lines to achieve the business requirement, which compared to other programming languages. With this you can achieve it within a fewer lines. So basically, as it is an interpreted high level language, so it basically execute the code as soon as it can be written because of its interpreted system. This means that prototype can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way. It's an object-oriented functionality where it will be used for. And more detail about the Python, basically, as I said earlier, like it will be used for web development. So you can create and use server to create web applications. It can be used along with your software to create workflows. It can also connect. It has a very enriched features available right here to connect to the database in terms of SQLite. They provide the direct connectivity with the database through SQLite. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. It has enriched libraries are available, packages are available. You can just import it, whether it's a NumPy or Pandas, etc. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or production-ready software development, very agile way. You can write the program and can experience the uses of it. It is possible that to write Python in an integrated development environment, it has the flexibility. You can make use of the PyCharm, a Microsoft product called VS Code, NetBeans, Eclipse, particularly useful whenever you are managing large collection of Python's files. So the syntax compared to the other programming languages, very easy. Python was designed for readability and has some similarity to the English language as already mentioned, influence mostly from the mathematics syntax. So Python uses new lines to complete a command as opposed to, as opposed to the other programming language when often used as semicolons or the parentheses. But here there is no parenthesis or no semicolons. It will be used on new lines to start the new command. And basically, as I said, it is basically relies on the indentation, white spaces, which defines the scope, the loops and function and classes. So many more features are available in Python language. So that's it for today's session. As an introduction, we'll talk more about operators and other details in further scopes. So for today, it is still here. Thank you. We will look at it later. Thank you for the joining.